Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to do factory reset on Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 using the system settings. First of all, make sure that your battery level is not lower than 20% because if the change drops during the reset, it could really damage the device. So first of all, let's open our settings. Here they are. And here in the settings, let's find a general. Press it here. So here is a reset tab. Tap in on reset. Before we do reset, you can back up your data by setting backup your data if you want to save some of your information. Now let's perform the reset. So we find it here and we click. Now the reset process has started. When the welcome message appears on the screen, the reset is finished. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.